Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2021 Boston Whaler 23-foot Outrage. Beautiful boat. We'll go through some of the options. We'll go inside, we'll take the covers off, we'll take a look. Point out some features before we go in. The boat does have a windlass. White bottom, black covers. This boat has a new 300 on it, white motor. We have chrome graphics with a silver boot stripe, matches the motor. Probably one of the prettiest boats we've done. This boat just came out. This word I want to use is gorgeous. Great running boat, great looking boat too. Just real good looking boat. Inside, we'll take a look. As we enter the 23, I'll point out some of the options. It does have the walk-through transom door, the boarding ladder, freshwater shower. This boat does have the aft seat. Of course, there's the 300. It does have the seat aft behind the helm. It does come up. It does have a table that comes down on the back, bolster style seating. This boat also has the ski pole, which is on it. It is not on it right now, but there's the attachment points. Does have full electronics, VHF radio, active trim, fusion stereo, windlass control, smart gauges, smart glove box, loaded and ready to go. Does have rod holders in the gunnel, live well, saltwater wash down. Walk forward, so it does have the seating forward, storage underneath, speakers, stereo remote, cooler under the seat, the T-top with the light. Take a look in the head. It is a porta potty with a dockside pump out. There's your battery switch. It does have 2 batteries. This boat does have the macerator. Your fish boxes. Quite a lot of features in the 23. If you're interested, please come and take a look. It's here.